Hey guys, welcome again to my channel Technologies 24/7. In previous video I told you that how to download Microsoft official Windows 10's latest version. So guys, in this video I will show you that after downloading latest version of Windows 10, then how to create USB flash drive for Windows 10. So guys, if you have already ISO file of Windows 10, then you can start simply from this video, but if you don't have, then please go to my channel and watch that video, watch this video, and you will know that how to download official latest version of Microsoft Windows 10. After downloading that ISO, you can make your USB bootable. You can create your USB bootable by using any software like Rufus or PowerISO. Today I will show you that how to create bootable USB flash drive for Windows 10. So guys, before starting, I request you to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button, then you will receive my upcoming videos. So guys, let's start. First of all, go to Google and then type Rufus. Rufus is a software which is used to create USB bootable flash drive for any Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 10. This is official website of Rufus, from where we will download our software. Then you can see here Rufus 3.5 portable. I'm downloading portable. I don't need to install it. So guys, click on Rufus 3.5 portable. So it has been downloaded. Let's open it. Yes. Yes. It's a tiny software. It provides easiest method to create USB bootable drive. So guys, our software has been opened. Here you can see that I have inserted my USB, and let me tell you one thing, that why did not I used my media creation tool of Microsoft, because it do not provide customization. That's why I'm using Rufus. So guys, here I will show you that what option you can select for your laptop or system type according to your system type. So guys, let's start. Okay guys, my USB has been selected, and here you can see boot selection, which is right one option. Then you can see partition scheme. If you are using latest type of laptop or system, then use partition scheme as GPT, and if you are using legacy type of BIOS, not UEFI, then select MBR. After that, we will select our ISO, which I have downloaded recently. In last video I told you that how to download latest version of Windows 10. So guys, I'm going to select my Windows 10 latest version ISO file. This is ISO file. Now we will select this one, open, and okay, now we'll change my GPT option to MBR, because I have legacy type of BIOS and I have old one laptop which is not latest type of laptop. So guys, after that, Windows label will be, our USB name will be ESD-ISO, and then click on start. Keep in mind your USB will be formatted, so take backup of your USB data. So guys, it has been started. Now it will take time 5 to 10 minutes according to your system port in which you have inserted your USB, and your USB type is, if your USB is 3.0, then it will take less time, and if your USB is 2.0, then it will take time 8 to 9 minutes. So guys, waiting until it completes. I'm going to skip this because it will take time, so let me skip this. Guys, I have USB 3.0, and I have also port in my system 3.0. In my system it took 9 minutes. Your USB is ready now. Now you can install Windows in any system. Close. So guys, you can install Windows in any system after restarting your computer and then pressing your boot key. So guys, before installing Windows, take backup of your data, like your users data, and after taking backup you can install your Windows. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and share. Here you see users folder. Copy it to any other copy it to another partition, D or E, because C will be formatted. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, see you.